This video here I'm calling the 5 to drive. It's 5 cars that I have marked down here at Maple Motors, and we're going to tell you a little bit about them. Hit the road. If you're interested, call us. 72 Chevy Camaro is now $27,900 from $39,900. The 70 model Camaro is $27,900 from $39,900. Straight across the lot here, I've got 3 more. We're also going to be taking down the road. You got the old Duster coming up. It's tan and black with the white interior. It's now priced $12,900. The 75 F-150, it's now priced $14,900. And the 49 Plymouth Coupe is now priced $12,900. Stick around for more info. Here we go. Let's go for a ride. This one here, 1970 Chevy Camaro, 350 under the hood with power brakes, but no power steering. Got the silver paint job with the black stripes. She's also got disc brakes in the front, dual exhaust out the back. Interior wise, she's pretty clean. All right, let's hit the road. Okay, getting ready to take off and go down the road here. A little bit of a squeaky belt. Let's go ahead and pull out. Now this one here does not have power steering, so we're going to go ahead and try to get turned around. Back on out of here. Here we go. Seems to be going straight down the road. The speedometer is not working on this one. Getting into that throttle. She feels pretty good. Hitting those brakes. Stop it good. Right, well, we gotta get over and get turned around here. Right here we got a 1949 Plymouth Coupe. It's got the flathead 6-cylinder. This one here also 3 on the tree. Really a beautiful car. Nice interior. Let's go ahead and take her down the road. Well, up next here, we're going to be taking this 49 Plymouth down the road. 3 on the tree. Of course, anything I see, you'll know about it. Let's go. Let's start this one up here. A little bit of a drag here. It's probably just a weak battery, honestly. Open road. Let's see what we got going on. It is kind of pulling to the left there. If I let go of the steering wheel, you see it kind of fading. I should have turned my turn signal on right. In the throttle now. Speedo is working. We're at cruising speed. Go ahead and get turned around here. Another one, 1972 Chevy Camaro. This one here, 350 under the hood. That's pretty good. Power steer, no power brakes. This one's silver with the silver stripes and silver wheels. Disc brakes, bucket seats. Sounds great. What we're gonna do is take her down the road just like we did on the last ones. Okay, yeah, look around the interior a little bit. See, it's in decent shape. Start this one up. All right, let's hit the road. Feels pretty good hitting those brakes. A little bit of a left pull on the brakes, back in the throttle. Kick down's hooked up, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Brakes feel good. Go ahead and get turned around here and go grab another one. All right, now we got a 1973 Plymouth Duster, 6-cylinder car. Same thing, we'll take her down the road, see what we can find. Let's take off. All right, let's go ahead and start this one up. Yep, and then we'll go ahead and take off here. There's reverse for us. Again, we'll wait for a little bit of traffic to roll on through. Looks like it says we're going 25 right now. Must be traveling through time. Here we go. Yeah, speedometer is definitely off, straight as an arrow down the road. Seemed like pretty tight steering there. And our brakes are not pulling. They're stopping just fine. Kickdown's not hooked up. All right, let's get turned around, go back to the lot and grab another one. And of course right here we got a 1975 Ford F-150. Inline 6-cylinder. 3 on the tree. Super cab. Nice bed. Decent interior. Audio system. Let's go ahead and take it down the road. All right, let's go ahead and start her up, take off. Now I do have a full test drive video going over chips, scratches, rust, and dents on this one, so be sure to be following us on YouTube to find that one. Going over this cone, ain't it? Try to. There we go. Now we just wait on a little bit of traffic to get out the way. And we'll take off. I have let it warm up, kind of pulled it up. Okay, now we'll roll out. Sorry about that. I was looking and I was like, wait, there's an extra gauge here. I watched this gauge go all the way to high and I was like, no, let's go ahead and back up. But over here, we got an aftermarket gauge. That's the reason they put that one in. And of course, we're ready to roll. It's kind of good anyways. The traffic was back all the way down the street. Watch my mirrors here. But I think we're good to roll. We got great oil pressure, we got good temperature down here on this one. This one is not reading correct. Checked it out, we're all good. It's scared me at first, you know, you see your initial temp gauge, but that's why they put that one in down there, so it makes sense. Speedo is working on this one. Good steering. It's driving awesome going down the road, nice and smooth. Checking our brakes, a little bit of the left pull there on the brakes when you hit them. But overall, this one drives pretty smooth. And it could just be dust on those brakes as well. If you enjoyed this segment, let me know in the comments. I would like to hear your feedback, guys. I'm gonna head back and start doing some regular test drives again. We got a lot of new inventory coming up for next week. I hope you stick around for that, and I'll see you on Monday when we do our new lot walk. Later, guys.